Good morning everyone, my name is Joel Justin S. Borja and my speech is all about global warming. Contemporary climate change includes both global warming and its impact on Earth's weather patterns. There have been previous periods of climate change, but the changes are distinctly more rapid and not due to natural causes. Instead, they are by the emission of greenhouse gases, mostly carbon dioxide and methane. Burning fossil fuel for energy use creates most of these emissions. Agriculture, steelmaking, cement production, and forest loss are additional sources. Greenhouse gases are transparent to sunlight, allowing it to heat the Earth's surface. When the Earth emits that heat as infrared radiation, the gases absorb it, trapping the heat near the Earth's surface. As the planet heats up, it causes changes like the loss of sunlight reflecting, snow cover, amplifying global warming. On land, temperatures have risen about twice as fast the global average. The deserts are expanding, while heat waves and wildfires are becoming more common. Increased warming in the Arctic has contributed to melting permafrost, glacial retreat, and sea ice loss. Higher temperatures are also causing more intense storms and other weather extremes. Climate change threatens people with food and water, increased flooding, extreme heat, more disease, and economic loss. Human migration and conflict can be resolved. The World Health Organization calls climate change the greatest threat to global health in 21st century. Even if efforts to minimize future warming are successful, some effects will continue for centuries. These include sea level rise and warmer, more acidic ocean. Many of these impacts are already felt at the current level of warming. Additional warming will increase these impacts and may trigger tipping points such as the melting of the Greenland ice. Under the 2015 Paris Agreement, nations collectively agreed to keep warming well under 2 degrees Celsius. However, with pledge made under the agreement, global warming would still reach about by the end of the century. Limiting warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius will require halving emission by 2030 and achieving net zero emission by 2050. Making big cuts in emission will require switching away from burning fossil fuels and towards using electricity generated from low-carbon sources. This includes phasing out coal-fired power plants, facilitating increasing use of wind, solar, and other types of renewable energy. Switching to electric vehicles, switching to heat pumps in buildings, and taking measures to conserve energy. Carbon can also remove from the atmosphere, for instance, by increasing forest cover. While communities may adapt to climate change through effects like better coastline protection, they cannot avert the risk of severe whispered and permanent impacts. And that's all my speech. Thank you.